Okay, what up YouTube? On today's episode, we got checking this, what you call that, steering system. We're gonna do the sway bar link, sway bar link right here. Took that off already. Got bro on the other side doing it. So what we gonna do today, try to get some of this stuff upgraded. You know, we're gonna end up having to do ARs, ball joints, you know, all this other stuff, brakes, everything. We're gonna knock some of this stuff out today. Some stuff we gonna do, some stuff we ain't gonna do. But get all this stuff off, you know, it's just to let you know what's going down. We'll get it off, hit you back in a second. We're recording. We're on. See what's going on, man.
All the tools,
Yeah,
everything. It ain't making nothing shake. Let me go ahead and make it shake. This nigga
there we
taking
go.
all fucking day, man.
Here we go. Here we
All
go.
this bullshit
Now that's my
over
brother
there.
there. That's Twine.
This nigga
We on
this
here.
nigga don't even want to get on the
AKA
dirt, man.
20.
All
We
that
got
shit he be talking.
We got this, man.
Man,
You know what I'm saying? Hey, man.
man,
Get off my stuff, bro.
little this.
So how you on, man? Always trying to take somebody's stuff. Big gangster. You know what I'm saying? Big gangster right there. You know what I'm talking about? Wait, man, big gangster over there. My bad, gangster. You know what I'm saying? I don't want no problem, gangster.
This nigga's mom.
You know what I'm talking about? Yeah, we gotta shorten it up. That's the Schmidget. Schmiddle drop.
I'm gonna have to go ahead and get the cam out.
For real, bro. It ain't that far off. For real, like. No bullshit.
He try to hurry up and do his before I got mine done, you know what I'm saying? Please. Let me see the needle nose real quick. See, now he trying to delay me over there. You see him? Late passing and
I'm over
shit.
here doing stuff, you know, you ask for stuff all late. I've been already there. You know what I'm saying? Already there.
You know it don't take me nothing, Lee.
You know what I mean? Already there.
It don't take me nothing.
Bro, I think that's close. That's as close as we gonna get. That's because this ball joint, you must for pivots. So which end went first? That's what I'm talking about. Which end went first? That'd be right there. Nope. Like this. Like this. I think that's on the correct side. Somebody out there sounding like, who that is, man? This is a drop.
This is a two-hitter, bro. This is
Man,
a
mine
two-hitter.
was a one.
This is a two-hitter, Weezy. There wasn't no one. I heard it.
Man, once I had that
I
big
heard
Thor
it,
hammer
yeah.
in my shit, that was a one.
I heard it,
You
bro.
know what I'm saying? Damn Thor hammer. You know what I'm talking about? Come on, man, pass me. See, that's what I be talking about, man. You don't want. Sure. Just giving this a nice, good clean. You know what I'm saying? Giving this a nice, good clean. Spindle. You know. Recommend you have mask and gloves on, which I don't, but you know, safety first. You should do what it was say not to do. You know what I'm talking about? Well, let's see what this guy's on over here. You got it yet? Boy, this look ugly under here. And we gotta get this joint on. This one right there.
What size are these bolts on the side of this?
On what?
Right here.
Then I don't know.
You already tightened that one?
I ain't tighten none of them. 9/16. Same thing as your what's in the ratchet. I gotta get this one on. 18 bit. I don't know if this is. That's a weird shape, look. 18 mil. Close to it, dude. Man, it look like his boat been filed down or something. Something up with it. It's weird shape.
Hey, Wiz,
With my Thor hammer.
You hear all these excuses.
Come on with my
man.
Thor hammer, man.
You hear all
Tried to
these
use it for
excuses.
you, bro.
All these motherfucking excuses, man.
He used that Thor hammer on his ass, man.
This nigga got more excuses than a motherfucker.
Wait. That Thor hammer gonna come down on him, bro. You keep playing.